Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, rear view camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.